The truck crashes almost an hour and 15 minutes after the initial pursuit began.
I'm not moving.
We need a fire extinguisher!
We gotta get her out of the car. That car's gonna go. We gotta get her in custody first. Come out, crawl towards us! Crawl towards us!
I can't, my legs hurt!
Crawl towards us! Crawl towards us!
Please help me!
Okay.
Don't drag me, don't drag me!
Fire, 20th and I got you. 19th and Drexel. The truck is starting on fire.
A desperate kidnapper, a terrified child, and a chase that nearly ended in tragedy. What began as a routine alert spiraled into a dangerous pursuit, with an 11-year-old's life on the line. It starts with a 911 call. A child reported missing. Officers quickly traced the suspect's vehicle, a kidnapper attempting escape with the young victim still inside. They spot the car. The driver ignores commands. The chase begins. The suspect pushes speeds over 100 miles per hour, weaving through traffic. Every second, the risk grows higher. Not just for officers, but for the innocent child trapped inside. This isn't just a pursuit. It's a race against disaster. Then, it happens. The driver loses control. The vehicle flips, skidding off the road in a fiery wreck. The truck crashes almost an hour and 15 minutes after the initial pursuit began. Just before the crash, concerned parents called in to say their 11-year-old son may be an innocent passenger in the vehicle.
In Drexel, correct? Is it on the eastbound side?
Hands over your head! Hands over your head! Hands over your head!
We're over the eye of Drexel.
I copy. There's at least 2 occupants of the car and one might be a 12-year-old, be advised.
Show me your hands! Wherever you shot, show me your hands! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Now! Get out of the car! Another road, no! Watch the another road, no! Watch the car! Watch the car! Hands up or you're gonna get shot! Hands! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Somebody get a fire extinguisher! Show your hands! Okay. God, just stop it! I'm about to start beating the out of you. Give me your goddamn hand! I'm not moving. Alright.
We need a fire extinguisher!
We gotta get her out of the car. That car's gonna go. We gotta get her in custody first. Come out! Crawl towards us! Crawl towards us!
I can't, my legs hurt!
Crawl towards us! Crawl towards us!
Please help me!
Okay.
Don't drag me, don't drag me!
Fire, 20th and
I
got you. 19th and Drexel.
Please help me!
The truck is starting on fire. Vehicle's clear. Alright. Sorry. Sorry.
Inside, the kidnapper, injured. And the 11-year-old, moments away from becoming another tragic headline. Officers rush in. Despite the chaos, their mission is clear. Save the child. They pull her from the wreck, shaken but alive. The suspect? Pinned, restrained, and no longer a threat. Paramedics arrive. The child clings to life. Thanks to fast action, she will survive.
What the f*** are you doing? Sorry.
I'm 11!
You're 11?
My phone's gone!
He's okay. Is he okay? What were you doing? I was trying to get away. Why? Who is he? Why?
Griffin Johnson!
No, turn the lights on. I'm sorry.
Help!
But just lie still. Let's lie still.
Sorry!
You okay? Is he okay? You guys get fire extinguishers?
Franklin Oak Creek, be advised, there's a 12-year-old in that truck.
Oh, it's nice to know now. Fire extinguisher, we got one. What are
my legs!
your legs?
My
we need
legs!
meds for an 11-year-old.
11!
11.
Ah! Got my mom!
11-year-old extreme leg pain.
Here, let's move from the car, right? Stand up, boss. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm sorry. Let's go.
Everyone's out of the vehicle. Driver's in custody.
10-4.
We're gonna help you. Okay, breathe.
What's your name, bud?
Hayden!
So sorry. Is he okay? Do you hear him? No. He is like screaming right now. I'm just saying. So.
All right, Hayden, you're...
The kidnapper, now facing charges of abduction, reckless endangerment, and attempted murder. In just minutes, reckless crime nearly ended a young life. But police training and sheer determination turned near tragedy into survival.
No, don't go to the church. Just let me take it off.
We need to check you out. Are you able to take it off?
Yeah.
25-28.
Don't move, okay? Okay. No.
Stay down, brother. Stay down.
I know.
Sit down.
Quiet still. The ambulance is going to want to check you out, all right?
Can I get my mom?
Okay, yes.
What all hurts?
You got an ID in here, bro? Yeah.
Just my fingers.
Fingers, okay.
And my leg finger. Yeah. Is he okay?
Yeah, he's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
I'm not gonna go anywhere, I promise.
Could you see if the sheriff shut down the freeway southbound on 94 at Drexel? Shut down the southbound off-ramp.
Okay.
What about this one? Can you feel this?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Good job.
Yeah, you bad, bro.
I just
You're
told
really
him to
okay,
let
buddy.
me out.
He's got a pretty good knot on his head, too.
Deep breath, buddy. Deep
Where's my mom?
breath. What's your mom's name?
Ashley.
You guys good here?
Yep. We'll be good. I'm gonna be gone for a while.
Would you guys be okay with trying to shut down this off-ramp? You guys are good with that?
Yeah.
Is that your brother or something?
I'm staying with my brother's friend.
You know where my phone is?
No. What does your phone look like?
It's a red phone. It's an iPhone 13.
You want me to go home after everything tonight? Or are you trying to go home?
Griffin! Yeah!
Does anybody have a fire extinguisher?
Where's yours? Is it all done?
A child was saved, a criminal caught, and another body cam story reminding us of the razor-thin line between chaos and justice. Subscribe for more real body cam stories. Comment. Would you have risked the chase or tried a different approach?